Hi, Zara. How are you today?
Hi, Blake. How are you today?
I'm doing great, and I'm happy you're here with us.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome. We're so glad you're listening.
Today, we will talk about English for travel, simple English, slow English.
Yes, we will help you talk about travel experiences in English. Easy questions, short answers, friendly follow-up questions.
Quick question for you. Have you ever traveled and wanted to talk about it in English, but you didn't know how?
Maybe you wanted to say, I went to, but your mind went blank.
If that is you, don't worry. You are not alone.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect. Short sentences are okay. Simple words are okay.
Let's do a tiny warm-up. Ready?
Ready?
Zara, did you travel recently?
Yes, I traveled last month.
Nice. Where did you go?
I went to the mountains.
Wow. Was it fun?
Yes, it was fun. And it was quiet.
Perfect. Encouraging. See, that's enough. Simple and clear.
Now you too. Quietly think one place you visited or one place you want to visit.
Hold that place in your mind. We will use it soon.
Okay, friends, take a breath. Smile a little.
And now, let's start our main conversation, like two friends chatting about travel. All right, Zara, let's start super simple. Tell me about a trip. Where did you go?
I went to Istanbul.
Nice. When did you go?
When did you go?
Last year. Last year. So, it was last year.
Yes, it was last year.
Why did you go?
I went for a holiday. I wanted to see new places.
That sounds exciting.
It was exciting. Before the trip, I felt so happy.
Like, yes, I'm going.
Yes, and also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
It was my first time traveling there. New city, new language, new everything.
I understand that feeling. Excited and nervous at the same time.
Exactly.
Quick funny question. When you say last year, do you mean this year?
No, Blake. Last year is not this year.
Oh, I thought you meant last winter. My brain heard last and said winter.
No, not winter. Just last year.
Okay, perfect. So, everyone listening, you can copy Zara. Blake, I went to Istanbul. Blake, I went last year. Blake, I went for a holiday.
Simple sentences. Clean and clear.
Now your turn, friend. Say one sentence aloud. Ready? Blake, I went to...
Yes. Say it slowly. It's okay.
Great. Now, let's talk about the trip there. How did you travel?
I went by plane.
By plane. How long did it take?
It took about 5 hours.
5 hours. Oh, and how did you feel at the start?
At the start, I felt excited. I kept smiling.
And at the end?
At the end, I was exhausted.
Exhausted, meaning very tired.
Yes, very tired. My eyes felt heavy.
Totally normal. Travel can make you tired, but arriving feels so good.
Yes. When I arrived, I felt safe. I was happy to reach my hotel.
Hotel bed is like a warm hug.
Yes. And then...
Uh-oh, I had my heavy bag. Oh no, the heavy bag story.
I carried it, and I got a little lost.
Just a little?
Okay, maybe a lot, but only for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is a little in travel time. It's fine.
And it was okay. I found the hotel, I took a shower, I rested.
Nice. And after you arrived and rested, what did you do next? After you rested, Zara, what did you do on your trip?
I kept it simple. First, I visited a big mosque. Then I walked around the streets. And I took many photos.
Nice. First, then, and. Very easy. What did you see when you walked around?
I saw shops and small cafes. People were sitting and talking.
That sounds calm. Pick one small moment. Just one. What was your best small moment?
I sat near the water. I saw boats. The view was beautiful.
Beautiful view. And how did you feel?
I felt peaceful, calm, like my mind was quiet.
I love that. And you used easy feeling words. Peaceful, calm.
Yes. And I tried new food too.
Uh-oh, travel food is always an adventure.
I ate a sweet dessert. It was soft and warm.
Soft and warm, savoring tone. Great simple adjectives.
And the tea was strong but nice.
So the trip was fun.
Yes, it was fun. But one thing went wrong.
Oh, what happened?
I dropped my phone for a second.
Sharp inhale, panic?
My heart stopped, but it was okay. It didn't break.
That's real life. A trip can be fun even if one small thing goes wrong.
Exactly. And we can say it in simple English.
Now, friends listening, imagine one activity you did on a trip. Just one. Blake, I visited. Blake, I walked. Blake, I took photos.
Great. And next, let's talk more about food and people.
Yes. Zara, tell me about a meal you remember.
I remember a sandwich. It had meat inside. It was hot. It smelled really good.
Do you know the name in English?
Not really. I tried to explain it like Zara did. A sandwich with meat. Simple.
Yes. I ate it outside. I felt happy.
How did it taste?
It was salty and tasty, and a little spicy. A little ooh at spicy.
A little spicy, like spicy but not too spicy?
Yes, not too spicy. I'm brave, but not that brave. I'm not brave at all. I drink water after one spicy bite.
And people were kind. A worker smiled and helped me.
That's a sweet travel moment. Kind strangers can make you feel safe.
Yes, and greetings felt different from home. People said hello in a different way.
So you can say, it was different from my home. Simple comparison.
Yes, and you can also say what you like, politely. I like it, or it's not my favorite.
Perfect. And now, sometimes travel has problems too. Let's talk about that next. Okay, Zara, let's be real. Did you have any travel problems?
Yes, one small problem.
Tell us. Keep it simple. What happened?
I was looking for a museum. I walked and walked, and then I was not sure.
So you lost direction?
Yes, I got a little lost.
How did you feel?
I felt worried and a little embarrassed.
Oh, that feeling is so normal. It's okay. It happens to everyone.
Yes, I said to myself, stay calm.
Good. Then what did you do?
First, I stopped. I looked at my phone, but the map was confusing.
Oh, yes. The map that looks easy but feels hard.
Exactly. Then I asked a woman near a shop.
You asked. Great simple verb. Asked. What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, where is the museum?"
Perfect English for travel. And then?
She was kind. She pointed. I followed her direction. I found it.
So you followed and you found it. Nice.
Yes. After that, I felt proud. Like, okay, I can do this.
And later it becomes a funny memory, right?
Yes. I walked the same street 3 times. I was like a confused penguin.
A penguin in Istanbul? I love it.
But it ended well.
And that's the key. Problems happen and we can still have a good trip.
Exactly. And now, let's wrap up the story. What did the trip teach me?
Yes, reflection time in simple English.
I learned something important. I learned to be brave, step by step.
Step by step. I like that.
I liked the view the most, and I liked the kind people.
Would you recommend Istanbul?
Yes, I would. I recommend it. It is beautiful, and the food is great.
Nice. Soft recommendation. I recommend it. And one reason, it is beautiful.
Yes, but I wish I had more time.
Oh, same. I also wish I had more money when I travel.
Haha, yes, travel is fun, but my wallet says, please stop.
So real. But even a short trip can be special.
And friends listening, remember, you don't need long sentences. You can tell a real travel story with simple English.
Where you went, when you went, how you felt, one problem, one good moment.
That's it. Soft smile.
And now, let's do a helpful bonus, some easy travel vocabulary from our story.
Not a test, just a small support for you.
Okay, friends, quick vocabulary time. Soft and easy.
Yes, please repeat quietly and don't worry about mistakes.
Word 1, trip. A trip is travel for a short time. Example idea, I took a trip to a city.
Word 2, journey. A journey is the time you spend traveling. Example idea, it was a long journey by bus.
Visited means you went to see a place. Example, I visited a museum.
Sightseeing means looking at famous places. Example, I went sightseeing downtown.
Local food means food from that place. Example, I tried local food.
Took photos means you used a phone or camera. Example, I took photos of mountains.
Got lost means you didn't know where you were. Example, I got lost in a market.
Recommended means you said it is good to try. Example, I recommended a beach.
Souvenir is a small thing you bring home. Example, I bought a souvenir.
And had a great time means you enjoyed it. Example, I had a great time with my family.
Great job! Small words, big help.
Now, quick recap. What did we learn today?
We learned a simple travel story shape. Where and when, how you went, what you did, how you felt.
And a small challenge like I got lost.
Then a simple ending. I recommend it.
Remember, short sentences can still sound natural.
Practice your story in 3 easy parts. Start, middle, end.
And confidence grows with small steps, step by step.
And now, curious, we have a question for you. Question of the day.
Yes, our question is, what place did you visit or what place do you want to visit?
Here are model answers. Super easy. I visited a nearby city last month. I want to visit Paris one day. I took a trip with my family. We had a great time.
Now it's your turn. Please share, even if you feel shy.
One sentence is enough. Really, just one.
We want to hear your travel story, step by step.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Yes, thank you. You did great.
If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe.
And write a comment about your trip or your dream trip. This is a safe, friendly space.
Keep practicing. Keep it simple.
Don't worry, you can learn.
See you next time for more easy English conversation practice.
Bye-bye, friends. Take care.